Today we are excited to introduce to you the all-new RYOBI 80V HP Brushless 42-inch and 46-inch lithium electric riding lawn tractors.
These exciting new additions to the 80V platform provide all the power of a gas tractor without the hassle. That means no engine maintenance, no fuel, and no oil required.
And that also means no more trips to the gas station, no fumes, and no noise, so you can cut your lawn when you choose to without disturbing your neighbors or your family.
Both the 42-inch and the 46-inch unit are powered by RYOBI's 80V HP technology to deliver the power of gas.
And the 42-inch produces the power equivalent of a 21 horsepower gas engine, while the 46-inch produces the power equivalent of a 23 horsepower gas engine.
Inside each of these tractors, you will find 3 RYOBI 80V 10-amp-hour lithium batteries, the most powerful batteries we have ever made. With our removable 80V batteries, users are able to easily swap out additional batteries and achieve all-day runtime.
The 42-inch tractor gets up to 2 acres of runtime, while the 46-inch tractor gets up to 2.5 acres of runtime. And industry-leading recharge times means you'll get right back to mowing your lawn in 2.5 hours or less.
The versatility of these tractors is unmatched. With the universal 2-inch front and rear tow hitch, users can connect trailers, snowplows, dump carts, and any other attachment up to 500 pounds.
The storage compartments in the front, side, and rear are ideal for yard maintenance. From hauling mulch and firewood or additional tools, these tractors are the ultimate backyard utility vehicles.
From the driver's seat, users will find they are always informed and in control with a fully colored backlit LCD screen. Easily monitor battery level and charge status. Adjust drive and blade speeds with just the touch of a button.
You can also connect to the RYOBI Riding Mower app via Bluetooth, which allows you to monitor your charge time from your phone while your unit is recharging.
Both tractors feature RYOBI's patented multi-blade crosscut technology, delivering a superior cutting performance for finer grass clippings.
Both tractors are also equipped with a 10-gauge heavy-duty steel fabricated deck for ultimate durability. Additionally, they feature a new quick release, allowing users to remove the deck in just 90 seconds for easy blade servicing and maintenance.
Best of all, we are excited to announce that these tractors will be proudly made in the USA with globally sourced components.
Both these lithium electric riding lawn tractors will be available at Home Depot in spring 2023. The 42-inch will be available in select Home Depot stores and on HomeDepot.com, while the 46-inch, along with the bagging and mulching attachments for these units, will be available exclusively on HomeDepot.com.